Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You come here to advanced, click on it here. So then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, come here to Fox type and answer here. So you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.